This is a master lock portable lock box, model 5422D, and it has this protective cover. You can open this. When you get it first, you just push down on this, open it. You'll see instructions in it and a little tool here. A little tool here. And you want to for the latch, it opens this, basically with the little latch here, and then to set the numbers. Let's see, you can see the numbers right here, and if the arrow is down, it means it hasn't been set, and you basically use this tool to turn it around so that the arrow points up, and then that way the number has been set. So you can set numbers, and you can set also pound and asterisk sign, but do not repeat the numbers. You can, I think, set up to 12 numbers, and that should do it.